Do you want to know how you can log into your copy.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your copy.ai account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar to search for copy.ai login. Click on the first link or the second link comes. So go ahead and click on the link. And then you can see this is the official page of copy.ai, which is the first ever GTM AI platform. Go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right hand side, and it will take you to the official login portal of copy.ai. You can write down your email address, click continue, and then write down a code which is sent to your email address, and then you can log into your account. Or else you can also continue with Google or Microsoft. So if you want to skip this process and want to continue with Google or Microsoft, go ahead and click on Google and then log into your account using your email address. Press continue and give the permission to the site, and then you can see that you have logged into your copy.ai account. This was a video on how you can log into your copy.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.